guys, welcome back to my channel Hobby Hub. So today in this video I will share how to make paper wall hanging. This is part 2 and this is part 1. If you have not seen, just go and see, and the link of that video is given in description section. So for this paper wall hanging we need a cardboard and cut it into a semicircle shape. Some decorative material, like here I have taken some stickers and some decorative tapes, Fevicol, and some colored chart paper. Like here I have the color of these chart paper are red, yellow, green. If it's your choice, if you need any other color. So let's start. hanging is ready. If you like my video, hit the like button, share this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching my video. Bye. See you in next video.